government service, he made significant contributions in the field of education. He served as a private school principal in South Cotabato and was a senior high school teacher under DepEd Coronadal City, where he taught Philippine politics and governance. So, his expertise has also been widely recognized beyond the classroom. He has been invited as a resource speaker on registration and titling for both the Department of Education and the Philippine National Police. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give him a warm welcome from the Land Registration Authority, Attorney 3, Attorney Mark A. Geronimo.
Hello. Thank you, Sir Kyle, for the very specific introduction. So, I think yung importante doon is malayo yung pinagalingan ko kasi kami na-graduate ako sa Sultan Kudarat after this lecture.
Sa 145, President Serios Peña Highway, South Makati.
Sun Hotel. Sir, saan pwede magparada po?
So, anong
Seminar po namin.
DepEd?
Opo, sa DepEd.
Meron pa ba?
Papasukin mo si Dos sa kanyang kwarto. Ngayon ako kung hindi.
Sir, baka matuka dito sa... Ayan, gano'n ka din.
Ako din dito.
Gano'n ka din, sir.
Hindi naman dito maaari ka.
Hindi. Nasa linya ka, sir.
Ah, sige.
Yun pa naman yung record.
Anong floor po yung ano?
Dito po, sir, yung entrance ng DepEd. Dito ako na pumasok.
Dyan.
Pero yung parking okay na yan dyan, sir.
Okay, thank you. May bayad pa ba?
Wala, sir. Wala bayad dyan.
Thank you. Ay, kala ko naligaw ako. Thank you, God. Powering.
Government service, he made significant contributions in the field of education. He served as a private school principal in South Cotabato and was a senior high school teacher under DepEd Coronadal City, where he taught Philippine politics and governance. So, his expertise has also been widely recognized beyond the classroom. He has been invited as a resource speaker on registration and typing for both the Department of Education and the Philippine National Police. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give him a warm welcome from the Land Registration Authority, Attorney 3, Attorney Mark A. Geronimo.
Hello. Thank you, Sir Kyle, for the very specific introduction. So, I think yung importante doon is malayo yung pinanggalingan ko. Kasi mag-graduate ako sa Sultan Kudarat after this lecture. Sige. So, the topic is the LRA's essential role in public school site typing. Okay. Sige. Tapos, ayun, kaya na. Okay, buti naman fast learner tayo. Diba? Teacher tayo, ready and on the go. Ganun talaga. Ilang years din akong naging teacher sa senior high. Tsaka sa private school, naging principal ako dati. So, from principal, naging teacher sa DepEd. Diba? Common naman yun na practice, na experience. Sige. Okay. Bakit mahalaga na matutunan natin yung land registration? Sa area kasi ng law, where this is a specific field, ground level, diba? So, alam nyo ano yung status ng paaralan. So, titingnan natin in your level kung ano yung status, ano yung situation, and from the situation, and ano yung mga improvements and if there's boundaries. So tama ba? You double check. LGUs may donate or expropriate land. Next. LGUs donate or expropriate property under RA 72160 requiring sangguniang authorization. Or private. Sabi, dinonate. Alam natin, dinonate pero wala tayong naibigay na documentation. Before we register, we check whether there would be may mga information kaming hawak and we protect this information because we are all then titingnan, does this comply with the law? Then, it's registrable. Kung sino man yung may-ari niya dati, kasi 50 years na, di ba? Dahil 50 years na, kung sino man ang nag-occupy nun, siya na ngayon yung may-ari. With the exception kung titled property. Because if a property is covered by a certificate of title, it does not happen.
Lagay mo ng anong ginawa. Ba yun? Hindi ako ba ng pabasa? Balak ng pabasa.
Ay, sa CR tayo. Toilets. Yung toilet mo lang, baba. Wash. Automatic ba? Automatic.
Recycling Office, guiding nationwide efforts on school land and infrastructure issues. He has taught in various universities, authored multiple instructional materials, and recently published a book of essays titled Lagunoy. He is also a dedicated husband and father. Mga tugang na itanong pagpalayon pa, tawan taning mainit na pag-upak ning welcome. Director 4, Sites Titling Office, Attorney Christian E. Rivero.
Thank you so much. I always forgot to remind not to use any introduction.
Allow me to read the citation. Awards this certificate of recognition to Attorney Christian E. Rivero in grateful commendation of his invaluable service as resource person during the conduct of the seminar entitled Empowering of School Heads and Property Custodians in Basic Land Titling for Public Schools, held on November 20 to 21, 2025 at Green Sun Hotel, Makati City. Given this 21st day of November 2025 at Green Sun Hotel, Makati City. Signed by Regional Director, NCR Concurrent Officer in Charge, Office of the Assistant Secretary for Operations, Jocelyn D. Argantaya. Naman po natin ang ating mga sarili. We appreciate each and every one of you today po. On behalf of Regional Director Jocelyn D. Argantaya, maraming salamat po for your time, your wisdom, na umattend po kayo sa aming 2-day seminar. So before we wrap up po our event, again, reminder po sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-register, please po mag-register na.
Uwi na. Uwi, ano, hindi na masaya. Parang uulan.
Beep.